Let's take the ultimate cricket quiz challenge. Hello everyone and welcome back to episode 12 of Brain Trick. Today's topic is cricket. Let's see how many of you can answer correctly without cheating. Let's begin. Question number 1 is who is the only batsman to score 400 in a test inning? Options are A. Sachin Tendulkar, B. Brian Lara, C. Ricky Ponting and D. Viren Sehwag. The correct answer is Brian Lara. Now it's time for fact of the day. That is, Brian Lara's unbeaten 400 against England in 2004 is still the highest individual test score ever. Now, let's move on to question number 2. Which country won the first Cricket World Cup in 1975? Options are A. Australia, B. England, C. West Indies and D. India. And the answer is West Indies. And the fact of this answer is West Indies also won the 1979 World Cup, becoming the first back-to-back champions. Moving to question number 3. Who is also known as the god of cricket? Options are A. Virat Kohli, B. MS Dhoni, C. Sachin Tendulkar and D. Rahul Dravid. And the answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Let's see, fact of this answer is Sachin is the only cricketer with 100 international centuries. Now, let's move on to question number 4. Which bowler has taken the most wickets in Test cricket? Options are A. Shane Warne, B. James Anderson, C. Muthiah Muralitharan and D. Anil Kumble. And the answer is Muthiah Muralitharan. Let's see, fact of this answer. He completed his Test career with an incredible 800 wickets. Here's our question number 5. Who hit 6 sixes in 1 over in an international T20 match? Options are A. Chris Gayle, B. Yuvraj Singh, C. Rohit Sharma and D. A.B. de Villiers. And the answer is Yuvraj Singh. Let's see the fact of this answer. Yuvraj Singh was the first player to hit 6 sixes in 1 over in an international T20 match. Now, let's move on to question number 6. Which player has the highest individual score in ODI cricket? Options are A. Martin Guptill, B. Rohit Sharma, C. Chris Gayle, D. Virendra Sehwag. And the answer is Rohit Sharma. Let's see the exciting fact of this answer. Rohit Sharma scored 264 runs against Sri Lanka in 2014. It's time for our question number 7. Which country won the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup? Options are A. Australia, B. Sri Lanka, C. India and D. Pakistan. And the answer is India. If you like this challenge, drop a heart in the comment box. The fact of this answer is MS Dhoni finished the final with his famous match-winning 6. Now it's time for question number 8. Which cricketer is known as Captain Cool? Options are A. Virat Kohli, B. Rohit Sharma, C. MS Dhoni and D. Sourav Ganguly. And the answer is MS Dhoni. Moving to fact of this answer. Dhoni is the only captain to win all 3 ICC white ball trophies. Let's move on to question number 9. Which stadium is the largest cricket stadium in the world? Options are A. MCG, B. Eden Gardens, C. Narendra Modi Stadium and D. Lords.